what type of clients you would like to work with as a virtual assistant. Hi there, this is Connie Zabala and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a 3-part video series, and my topic is all about the client. So what type of clients you would like to work with. Just a disclaimer, these topics that I'm sharing with you today are based on my experiences, okay? So it's always your decision what type of clients you would like to have. But as for me, I'd like to share with you the type of clients that I suggest that you will choose when you are starting your VA business. Now, it's not just the clients that should be choosy or selective when it comes to getting their VAs, but VA should be selective also when it comes to working with clients. The first thing that I'd like to share with you is have a client that treat you as a business partner. Why am I saying that? Because you would want to work with someone who treat you as a business partner and not as an employee. First of all, you are not an employee. You are an independent contractor and you're rendering services to a fellow business owner. So, not technically a business partner, but somehow you should treat each other like that. Because when clients treat you as his or her business partner, he respects your time, he respects your points of views, he respects what you have to say. Because of that level, you are also given the opportunity to share, to say something about the business, to say something about the task that you are about to do. You also have a say when it comes to anything about rendering the services, from working hours, from how you do your task, how you accomplish your task, or how you want to accept payments, or what are the other terms and conditions that you'd like to add. Watch for my second video in this 3-part video series. So if you think this video is helpful, please do feel free to like, comment, or share. Thank you for watching.